Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide sensitive notifications on the lock screen on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open settings, then we have to head to notifications option, and right here we have notifications on lock screen option, and here we have to just click on the hide, silent, conversation and notifications, and that's how you can hide sensitive notifications. That's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!